Hare Krishna. So, first of all, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Jagannath Rath Yatra. So, today there will be a chariot procession in Jagannath Puri Dham. Lord Jagannath is going on the chariot to see all these wonderful devotees on the streets while going to Gundisha temple. So, I just thought to make something special, a very favorite book of Lord Jagannath. It is going to be a surprise for you. So yeah, I'll just make it. Enjoy this short vlog. Maida. Too big. Water. Clarified butter, ghee. And then rice flour. Sugar. 2 cups. And then water. Flour, and then our cup paste. I personally like to fold like this because it creates more layers. So yeah. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. So now we're gonna do something. First put it here, then I'm gonna apply something, the paste which we prepared earlier. Just give it a mix again, and then let's apply it. And then another one on this. So here we go. I'll just once roll it so all the layers will stick nicely. And then I'm gonna roll it. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna use the knife to cut down. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So now we're gonna flatten them. Just show. Like flat. Flat. Even we can do like this also. It's up to us. Wanna see the Bhog? Next video I'll be showing how I offered and how we have did the kirtan together with my roommates. Hare Bol, stay tuned.